A day in my life, a high school student in grade 8 ministry. Kakagising ko nga lang pala at pumunta muna ako sa aming kwarto at naglagay ng powder sa mukha. Uy! For the go-home person, uy!
And if I'm dirty, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better.
Ayaw ba? Pansin. Ay! Dito nga pala ay maliligo na ako kasi may pasok pa kami mamaya. One year later. Dito nga pala ay pinaplansya ko yung buhok ko. Dito na nga po pala nagtatapos ang The Day in My Life ko. Babush!
Talks kinda lazy and people say she's crazy.